Welcome to Callis, a to-do application that has great flexibility. To begin, you can log in and you will be greeted with a short loading screen while we process your application. Process your login. To begin planning out your day-to-day activities, you can make use of Callis Planner. To do so, simply click the green Start Adding button here. There are several features within Callis Planner which allows you flexibility when planning out your activities. Firstly, the option to choose between a task or an event. A task is something which has a set deadline, and an event is something which is reoccurring. For tasks, you are able to choose between 3 priority levels: high, medium, or low, and each comes with its own corresponding color. For an event, you can pick a color of your own choosing using the color picker here in order to color code it. Secondly, we have a Telegram reminder feature here, which you can enable or disable as you wish. This Telegram reminder works through the Telegram bot, which will send reminders to your Telegram account whenever a task or event is upcoming. Thirdly, we have the repeat feature here, which allows you to add tasks or events that happen frequently in set intervals all at once. This will cut down the hassle of doing so manually. And lastly, you have the additional remarks feature here, which allows you to add descriptions of your tasks or events, and they will be displayed to you in a non-obtrusive manner, as you will see later. Once you're done adding a single task or event, you can simply click the black Save button here to upload it. And once you're done using Callis Planner, click the red Done Adding button to close it. We offer you two viewing options, a microscopic view and a macroscopic view. For the microscopic view, it will be seen at the bottom right in this list format. As you can see, for a high priority task is color coded in red, and the medium is in yellow, and the low priority is in green. And for the event, it's color coded in purple, which we chose ourselves. And if we mouse over the event, you can see a further description of it, which is displayed very non-obtrusively, as said previously. We offer you 3 different ways that you can view your microscopic list. Firstly, you're able to toggle it by priority. Secondly, you're able to toggle it by time, i.e., whichever has a deadline earlier or happens earlier will be high up. And lastly, if the previous 2 options do not appeal to you, you can order the list yourself. Simply click the toggle menu button here and click and drag any 2 tasks or events that you wish to swap, as seen. Moving on, we offer you 3 additional ways that you can search through this to-do list. First will be the detailed search, or searching by the name of the task or event. Secondly will be to search by the day of it. And lastly, to search by the type, meaning do you want to search by a task or do you want to search for events, or both. At the bottom left hand side, you can see there's a calendar grid which offers you a macroscopic view of your activities. And you can toggle between the different months. And if you click on the single grid within this calendar view, you're able to view all of the tasks or events for that particular day. And this is Callis. Thank you for watching.